showing you the top 2 best money making platforms that make you passive income for doing pretty much nothing at all. This will take a little bit of upfront work and a little bit of investment, but I'm going to show you how you can actually get started for free and start to grow this passively, guys. And I'm going to be showing you everything in today's video, so make sure you watch it from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start to make some money today. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 2 money making platforms that are going to pay you out passively, guys. I've talked about both of these platforms in the past, and I'm actually using them as much as possible nowadays just because I want to start to earn some more passive income. And I'm going to be showing you or telling you the reason why I actually think these are the best platforms and the reason why you should get started right now by clicking the links down below as soon as you finish watching this video, guys. So let's get started with the first platform. So the first platform is going to be BetFury.io. Reason being is straightforward. They have this free box that you can actually start to claim some free satoshis in right here, guys. All you have to do is click on withdraw, click on I am human. Once you have done that, it's going to ask you to solve this captcha really quick. It's asking for the boats, so let's click on the boats really fast. I missed one. Hopefully it doesn't count that as wrong. So I pretty much just click anything that has water behind it. So, and we have finished that one, so check and withdraw. Now it's going to be deposited inside of my account, 5 satoshis. Really easy and simple to do, guys. Now there's other ways you can actually earn on here, is actually claiming these boxes, which they come out with new boxes once a week or 2 times a week, or you know, just around there, guys. And it's really easy and simple to do. So what I would recommend you guys doing if you're starting off for free is just claiming these free boxes as much as possible. And once you have done that, you can earn up to around 360 satoshis every single day for actually using this every single hour, I believe, or 30 minutes or 20 minutes. I'm not too sure on that. So you can see that my balance is at 0.00103676 satoshis right there in Bitcoin. I have 4 Tron, 55 BTT, and 12,136 BFG tokens. And getting these BFG tokens is the main thing you need to get started with this method to make it passive, guys. BFG tokens are their tokens, and you earn daily interest or daily dividends from doing this. Now you have to open up your brain just a bit and think about it. So think about this really quick, guys. Now these tokens are from the actual casino site, which is BetFury, and the reason why I think this will stay around for quite some time is because people are using BetFury a lot in order to actually make some more Bitcoin, crypto, whatever they're gambling. We are not here to do that, guys. We are here to stake and make our crypto, get these tokens, and use the least amount of Bitcoin or cryptocurrency and get the most out of it and their tokens, guys. Now the reason why I'm saying that is because we're going to lose our satoshi. So I'm going to lose this either in this video or after this video, because I want to wager it so I can get as much as tokens as I can as possible in order to get more payouts, guys. This is my payouts every single day. You can see my monthly payouts right there, guys. You can see my quarterly payouts, so we can see how much this is just in Bitcoin alone, which is not that much money, guys, but it is passive income at the end of the day, and I'm happy with it. So let's go BTC to USD. That is $30 a month for doing absolutely nothing but just coming in, clicking on I want staking. So right here, BetFury staking, receive now. It's going to lead me to this page, and you click right here where it says withdraw. And even on top of that, guys, you can come over here to cashback, and you can actually cash back once this timer is finished on whatever tokens you have actually used or earned. And you have to come in here and click on withdraw whenever this timer is finished, because if you don't, then it's going to expire. You see, I didn't do that for most of the time, but as soon as I started to do it, I started to get more crypto to actually use in order to get more of their tokens. So let me show you real quick on how you can actually do this and how I'm doing this. I use Plinko a lot. I like it just because, think about it, guys. We're going to be betting right here in the red Plinko because I want to get to these 1000x, 130x, 23x, or 9x. Now, I use the least amount possible, and if you think about it, the reason why I do this is because I want this to actually last me as long as possible in order for these balls to get a chance to hit the 1000 times, because once this hits the 1000 times, I get 1000 times up here on whatever I'm betting, guys. So that's going to help me stay longer. It does take a while for these to actually hit the 1x, 130x, or 23x, but there is a little cheat to doing this quicker. So I found out that all you have to do is click on the number 3 on your keyboard and then just hold the space bar, and you'll see a lot of them just coming out from the top, and you can just do this over and over and over again to make it go quicker, and it will use up your balance faster if it doesn't hit those 1000x, 130x, or it just hit 9x just now. And you can just see, and you can stop it and play it, stop it and play it. So I'm clicking the space bar again to make this go really quick. And once this is finished, guys, I'm going to show you another strategy that I use on a different website, and I want to see if it works live right now in this video for you guys. So I'm going to show you that strategy right now, and this is hopefully going to actually grow your balance quicker if you can actually make it last longer. So we're going to go to 75 times just like I did on the previous video I did. So let's go over here to 75 times. I want to come over here to auto. I want to come over here to on lose increase, and we're going to do 500. I want to try this out real quick. So I might lose all my money, but which is totally fine. Regardless, I'm going to earn some more of these tokens, so it's totally fine with me. So let's come over here to start real quick. And the main process of this method is once I start to get like a lot of reds, this is going to actually, once I get one red, the 500% is going to actually kick in, and I'll be like 500 satoshis or possibly even more. And then after that, if I hit another red, it's going to be 1000 satoshis. So it's just going to keep on 500 timesing whatever number once I hit red. So let's go over here, let's click on roll under, and then we're gonna click on start. So let's see what happens right here, guys. So I hit it right there. So we're just gonna keep on doing this. So I hit red once, so I got it right there. So since I hit red once, look how much times I'm paying by 36. So I'm betting 500 times the 1 satoshi right there, guys. So this is the whole strategy. We can reset, so it's gonna reset on win, and this is gonna help me grow my balance if we can actually make this go a bit quicker. So let's do that real fast. So you can just see all these wins, and then once it hits a red, it's gonna times it by 500. Look at all those 500 and then reset it. Now you can see how it's gonna start to grow my balance really quick, guys, if we actually bet a little bit more. But I want to stay conservative and grow my balance slow but surely. And then once I've done this enough, I'm going to go back over here to all games to Plinko, and then start to do the Plinko process so I can actually use up all of my satoshis and get as much tokens as possible. So after I'm actually making some profit from BetFury and earning dividends, and I just want to withdraw my free money that I'm getting passively, I want to come over here to Chips. Now I've talked about this in the past. Chips is another site where you can actually wager your crypto, and the reason why I chose Chips is because it takes longer for us to actually get their tokens because it's worth more. And on top of that, guys, they have level systems inside of their tokens. So you can see we're on stage 2, level 14, and then it costs 47 wagered, I guess, tokens in order to get 1 token. So you have to wager around $47 just to get 1 token, and it goes up to level 3, and then level 4, and then level 5, and level 6. It goes super slow, which is going to help us get as much tokens as possible. So the way I do this is I withdraw from BetFury into Chips, and then I come over here to the game section. Once I hit the game section, I'm always just coming over here to Chips Originals because I want to mine their tokens. Now I have the same strategy set up right here. You can see 75% roll under, and we can come over to the minimum. We can click right here where it says on loss. We're gonna enable it to 500%, and on this strategy on Chips you need to be very fast. So the reason being is because these do move and it does not reset once you win. So let's go to place bet, and it's going to start to place the bet, and we need to stop it as soon as possible, guys. It just hit 1 red. Now my wagers just grew 2 reds. Now my wagers just grew even more, and we can stop it now, reset it to the minimum, and then repeat this process, guys. And if you don't think this works, look at my numbers just grow and grow and grow. Right there, we stop it again because we're wagering a lot more, and we got 1, 2, 3 positives within this wager right here. So now we're even growing our balance quicker, and we're actually getting more tokens for doing so, guys. So look, if we go over here to the vault, you can see my balance is growing pretty quick, to be honest, just for wagering a couple of less than a penny. So that's really interesting and really cool. Another thing I do is just go over here, go over to auto, go to minimum, and then set it all to 50, and then I just keep doing this strategy over and over again. So I'm gonna do it one more time, guys, to show you how it's done. And we're gonna go over here on loss. We're gonna click in 500%, and once we have done that, we're gonna click on place bet, and we're gonna wait till it hits like 1 red. There it is. So we're gonna just wait to 2 reds, and with the 3rd red we're gonna stop so we won't lose our crypto. So we stopped, so we hit 3 more positives, and our balance is just growing a tad bit bigger. So we're gonna go back to minimum, repeat the process, and just keep this going, guys, as long as you can, so you can actually get a lot more tokens, and then you can actually start to get some more passive income within the Chips platform. So we hit 2 reds at the same time. Look at my balance or my place bet, and then look, I hit that 1 green. So now my balance is growing a tad bit more. So now we're at 12 cents. So we can actually repeat the process, go to place bet, and let's see how long this will last until I actually get insufficient funds or something. So now we're gonna stop it in a bit because my balance is my betting is actually getting bigger and bigger. So 1 more red and we're gonna be done right there, guys. So we stop it. Oh, I just hit that last one, so now it just brought it down a bit. So I stopped it right at the red. If I would have stopped it before on this green, would have been in profit of very big amounts. So let's do this one more time to see if I can stop it. We already hit 1 red, 2 reds right there, 3 reds, 4 reds, 5 reds, 6 reds, 7 reds, and look, insufficient balance, which is totally fine, part of the process, and you just need to be quick on doing this, guys. So we're just gonna keep on coming in here, locking in our tokens so we can actually grow a tiny bit bigger. And as time goes on, this 10 cents will be 12 cents, 13 cents, 14 cents, $1, $2. Depends on how long and how consistent you are with this platform. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.